Hello again, Roma restaurant, Chef Paolo, my kitchen, and today another new brand, super summer and fresh recipe of our new menu. You can even make at home, because you know guys, we all can be chef. Yes, trust Chef Paolo. So maybe today, this is my one of the top 3 pasta sauce. Pesto, homemade pesto. Check my recipe, my video how to make a perfect, authentic Italian homemade pesto. Today, the version is gonna be pesto sauce trofie with salted garlic butter shrimps. So, what is trofia, Chef Paolo? Trofia is this small pasta. The dough is super easy, I will show you how to make it. It's just flour and water, 50-50. Then you roll it like this and you make this typical pasta from Liguria. Liguria is one of the best area in Italy facing the sea. To cook trofie, especially homemade trofie, you need at least 8 minutes. So let's start first to put in our boiling water with salt our trofie. First thing first, butter. Once our butter is melted, we can put our shrimps. 1 minute one side, 1 minute on the other side, guys. We add now some chopped garlic and we mix all. 1 minute another side. As soon as we turn the shrimps upside down, we're gonna add some white wine. 30 seconds and all the alcohol of the wine are gonna evaporate and leave that special kick and flavor to our shrimps. Our shrimps are done, we put it away and we prepare the pan with our pesto sauce. Medium fire and we put 2 spoons of our homemade pesto sauce. We add some pasta boiling water to make a really nice cream. 3 spoons, enough. Now it's time to check if our trofie is ready. So our trofie are ready. Let's put all in the pan. And now guys, let's jump it. We're done. Time to plate. Our homemade trofie with homemade pesto sauce and the garlic shrimp is ready. Let's try it. Look how creamy it is, guys. So juicy. Mamma mia. Who invented the pesto sauce recipe? Because it's a genius. Here you have best ingredients of the Mediterranean. You see Parmesan cheese, vine essence, extra virgin olive oil, and basil. Guys, there is nothing better than this. I'm sorry. The menu with this juicy garlic shrimp is just perfect. So, 2 things, as usual. First thing, make this recipe at home. Follow all my steps, all my videos to make a super delicious summer trofie pasta with pesto. Second step, come to Roma and try this amazing homemade trofie pasta with our homemade pesto sauce and enjoy an Italian lifestyle food experience. Of course, with your Chef Paolo. Next time, next recipe. See you later. Bye bye!